Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Before we start our lesson, let us all stand and feel the presence of the Lord. Angel of God,
Angel of God, my guardian spirit, Lord and love, commits me here. Every day at my side, light and guard to Lord and God. Amen.
you may sit now. I'll be checking your attendance. Is there absent in the class today?
None, ma'am.
Very good.
Class, do you like a game?
Yes, ma'am.
So today, I have here a jumbled letter. I want you to arrange them so you will form a word. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Bring out a piece of paper and write your answer. The one who will get the highest score will get a reward to me. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You may now start answering. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
For the first word, what do you think is the correct word in this jumbled letter? Anyone? Samantha?
Culture, ma'am.
Very good. It's culture. What about in the second? Kaina? Material, ma'am. Good job. It's material. And the last? Lanea? Non-material, ma'am. Good job. It's non-material. Who among you got 3? Very good. Score of 2? Very good. Score of 1? None. Very good.
Do you think all this word about class? Yes, Lania?
It's all about culture, ma'am.
Very good. It's culture. In your second module, you have learned that in your province and in neighboring provinces that make up a region, there are unique histories and traditions that should be promoted and valued. Is it, class?
Yes, ma'am.
What is culture again, class? Yes, Samantha?
A culture is a way of living, ma'am.
Very good. So in your jumbled letter, what other word did you form? Yes, Samantha?
Material, ma'am.
Very good. What else? What else? Yes, Marianne? Culture, ma'am. Very good. So material and non-material are the two types of culture. Again, what are the two types of culture? Yes, Shilaika?
Material and non-material, ma'am.
Very good.
What is material culture, class?
Yes, Samantha. Material culture consists of concrete and tangible objects like tools, implements, furniture, and etc. These are made, ma'am.
That's correct. So I have here a picture. Can you name all the picture? Yes, Mariel.
Base, ma'am.
What else? Shilaika?
Anchor, ma'am.
That's correct.
Ma'am.
Another. Mariel.
Knife, ma'am.
And the last one, class? Samantha?
Necklace, ma'am.
Very good. So, during ancient times, all of these, they use these things inside the cave. The cave is served as their home. So, I have here another picture. What does the boy wearing? Yes, Samantha?
He is only wearing baag and putong, ma'am.
That's correct. The boys are wearing baag and puto, which are gisting or headdress or turban. So in the next picture, what does the girl wearing? Yes, Mariel?
She is wearing blusa and palda, ma'am.
That's correct. The girls are wearing blusa and palda. So I have here another picture. Their shelter. Can you see this picture, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any difference in their shelter nowadays and before?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you describe their shelter before? Yes, Mariel?
It's made out of bamboo
Clement, ma'am. Very good.
What is non-material culture class? Samantha?
Non-material culture consists of tangible and abstract objects. It includes custom, traditional, belief, language, and etc.
That's correct. So let's go first in their education. During ancient time, they more enter in the school. They learn on their own experiences. Just like women, they learn how to cook, do laundry, take care of the resident, and other household chores. While men are there, learn from their fathers how to go a farm, plant, gather, and hunt their daily sustenance. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And next, we go to the abilities. Did you know what are the abilities during ancient time?
No, ma'am.
What are the abilities before men going to field? Tanea?
They fetch water and chop wood, ma'am.
Very good. Next is their languages. Are you aware that during ancient time they used only one languages?
No, ma'am.
The early people used more than 100 languages across our province and rivers. Can you name languages that we use? Samantha?
Ilocano, ma'am.
What else? Tanea?
Tagalog, ma'am.
Good job, Ufi.
Let's repeat what we discussed class. What is culture again? Yes, Kina.
Culture is a way of living, ma'am.
Good job. What is the two types of culture?
Ma'am.
Samantha?
Material and non-material, ma'am.
Very good. Can you give me example of material?
Ma'am.
Yes, Adeline.
Tools, ma'am.
Very good. What else? Kina.
Clothing, ma'am.
Very good. What can you give me example of non-material? Yes, Samantha.
Shelter, ma'am.
Very good. What else? Anyone? Yes, Adeline.
Education, ma'am.
Very good.